AC installation. Mini split AC we are going to install in our home. This is mini split. This is KENWOOD brand, and energy saver rate is 75%. This is 18,000 BTU. Outdoor unit we already put outside of this window. So we're going to install over there, and we're gonna be put the plug over here. So we installing the high voltage wires. We already put the pipes, and now we're going to be connect the socket on the wall, and then we're gonna be connect the pipes. You can find all information on this sticker. They are providing you the diagrams. KENWOOD brand, 18,000 kV BTU. We are going to hang that indoor unit on the socket. Okay guys, we're done. We hang out on the socket inside unit, and now we are going to connect the outdoor unit. We're making a hole. So guys, we just installed the stand, and now we are going to put outdoor unit top on that. So we just put outdoor unit top on that stand, and now we are going to make a connection with the pipe. So after that, we're gonna be do the vacuum to make sure there is no air left inside the pipe. So now we are going to make a connection. So we connect the pipes, and now next step is vacuum. After vacuum, we're gonna be fill the gas. Okay guys, so finally we're done the air condition fitting installation. So now it's working on 24. In this country it's work on Celsius, not in Fahrenheit. So finally we're done. Thank you very much.